everybody, Abel here from TechNave. We're gonna do an unboxing and a hands-on video on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. There are a couple of changes compared with the Redmi Note 3. First of all, this is now purely premium metal. Button has been changed as well, but they're still using the micro USB with dual boot speakers here. This is where you put your hybrid SIM card. Headphone jack has been moved to the top, and you have the normal fingerprint sensor and a 13 megapixel camera behind. But if you look at the design here, the sides especially, you can see that it's been slightly curved and looks really nice. It looks really, it looks like a higher end device from Xiaomi, and actually it just costs 799 ringgit here in Malaysia. And lastly, Xiaomi has put a 2.5D curved glass just the side here, which you can see is shining all around. Very nice. And a 13 megapixel camera and a fingerprint sensor right behind as usual. So that's all for the unboxing and the hands-on video on the Redmi Note 4. There's gonna be a 4GB RAM and a 64 ROM version of the device. It's gonna come soon in Malaysia. We don't know when, but we'll keep you in touch. So stay tuned for more videos at technave.com.